Hi, I'm Dragonhill. Welcome to Hammer Time, Source SDK tutorials. Today we're going to be covering an issue of trying to find textures and replacing them if you're having problems or you don't like a certain texture in your level. Now, what we have right here is a simple room with 6 sides and 6 different textures assigned. Now, one of the things we want to do is we want to identify, let's say we had a very large level, and this texture was somewhere hidden, and I wanted to get rid of it or replace it. How would I do that? Well, the first thing I do is I go over here to my texture application tool. Go ahead and open that up. What we're going to see here is if we want to replace a texture that we already know of, we can sit here and just select that. And then we can hit the replace button. We can take this texture as it exists, and we can then choose a different texture. So let's pick, let's say something very wacky. Yeah, some rocks. Let's pick that. Okay. Now we can turn around and we have different options here. Pretty much I usually choose everything because I'm trying to get rid of a texture I don't want to use anymore. So we're going to hit OK. And I'll tell you how many textures have been replaced. Hit OK. And now we just move this off to the side. And now we can see that in fact our wall has been changed. Actually, the floor was changed too, so I must have used that in 2 places. Oh, actually, it was my mistake. I accidentally clicked on the floor, but that's okay. Now, you may wonder, how do I know if I am using a texture of a certain type? Well, what we can do is we can go once again over here to Browse, and we can go down here to the lower left. See here, only use textures. Most people don't know about this. Just select that. And then we're going to filter out all the textures we're not using. And now we basically have a lineup of all of our textures. And if you're having a problem with the texture, it'll show up here. And you can turn around, you could select it. And then sure enough, if we go back here, we can go to Toggle Texture Application, click that, and you'll see that it's been selected. And we can just choose Replace. And then once again, I can go in and choose a different texture if I want. Let's choose this sign here. And then I'll just hit OK. 31 textures replaced. And then we turn around and we close this off. And there we have it. You'll see outside of the room was all the other, the same texture was replaced. So you can use this technique to find offending textures, or if you want to change a texture to a different type, and then you can just quickly select it and then swap it over. Anyway, thanks for watching. Oh God, looks like I need another video card.